What's up, guys? It's your boy with two Forex Codes, and we're back again with a new video. So today I'm going to be talking about why most of you guys are losing trades. So before I start the video, I want you guys to listen attentively to everything I say, because these things I'm talking about them to prior my forex experience. So I've experienced these things in the forex market, right? I've experienced it myself. So maybe sharing this to you guys may add in your forex experience, or assist you in you trying to curve the way, maybe deflecting some of these things and not to do them in order for your forex progress to be faster than mine, right? So I want you guys to listen to the things I say. And also, this video is a raw video. There's no script. I'm just going to be talking based on my forex experience. So I urge you guys to listen very carefully, because I'm going to be talking very powerful points, and yeah, it is going to help you a lot if you do listen. So without any further ado, let's get into the first point. So the biggest problem that we face is that we don't prepare in time for the forex market, right? So what usually happens most of the time when we get our losses, right, and most of the time it is usually unnecessary losses. So you find that you wake up in the morning, and then you find a trade getting ready, or maybe the trade is ready, and then you find yourself what can I say, you find yourself now wanting to take the trade fast, and now you're calculating risk. You're on MetaTrader already, placing your lot sizes and stuff. Or it might not be even the morning, maybe during the day, right? And then maybe you're scanning your charts, and then by chance you're like, wow, I didn't see this trade, and then you take the trade, and then in no time the trade is lost, right? It is usually, most of the cases, it is usually trades like that. What I advise is that you guys should focus a trade before the trade comes, right? Let's say in the morning you wake up, right? You prepare. That is what I want you guys to do. You prepare for the day ahead, right? You prepare all of the trades you are going to be taking on this particular day, right? You prepare, you do a forecast. So if you don't know what a forecast is when you predict the movement by doing what? By maybe let's say there's the pattern, right? There's an ascending channel, you're waiting for 3 touches, maybe let's say it's at the second touch. What you do is gonna be drawing a line to the third touch, right? And you're going to be expecting price to be going to the third touch before you make your trade, right? So you do something like that, other than you not doing anything, and then when the third touch happens, and then now you want to take the trade like out of the blue. You didn't even prepare for the trade. You're not even psychologically equipped to handle the position if it loses or wins, right? So now what usually happens most of the time, you just lose the position, and after you lose, it is when we usually, okay, I used to do this. I usually now look at the position. I was like, okay, I lost this trade. How did I lose? Where did I go wrong? And then I find myself discovering new things, like maybe I didn't wait for a particular candlestick. Maybe there had to be a weak fill. So there are some risk factors I have to assess first before I take a trade. But when you take the trade, when you are like rushing, you tend to forget that the risk factors, because each and every trade, guys, the risk grade is usually different, right? And I'd advise that most of your trades should be like low risk, right? Like in Falcon, we usually don't take trades whereby there is a head and shoulder, right? Because the theory says 90% of the time the right shoulder is usually higher than the left. So what does that mean? If you take a trade like as a head and shoulder, there's a possibility price action might go up a little bit, right? And what does it mean when the price action goes up a little bit? Means that price is going to hit your stop loss before it goes, right? So let's say there is the entry, the 1 2 3, but then it's in the form of a head and shoulder, right? And then you take the trade fast, because what you do, you didn't prepare, right? And then you lose, and then after that you discover that there was head and shoulder. There were things you shouldn't have done, right? But then if you are well equipped, like you are ready, right, you did your morning routine. In the morning you did analyze the pairs, and you have maybe a daily watch list, right? Maybe 4 pairs, right? These are the pairs we are going to be sticking with for the rest of the day. And you did focus, because when the position comes, when you did focus the position, there's a higher chance you did look at your trade checklist, because you have to have a trade checklist, guys, if you want to be profitable. So I guess everyone should be having that, because you are trying to be profitable, right? So you need to be having those things. So already you did have time to check your trade checklist, that is everything aligning there. Ganzi, when you didn't even like focus the trade, you didn't even check your trade checklist. I know, because I used to do these things, right? Many of you watching are victims of what I'm saying. Yeah, but you just wake up and then you don't even do enough preparation. Maybe someone maybe like I do prepare, but then you're not doing enough, right? You don't even have a trade checklist, because a trade checklist is where you should be including this type of like risk factors. The risk grade of the trade, it has to be there, right? So you have to know the risk grade of the trade and how to approach the trade if it imposes higher risk. And then you like have to play the trade the right way. Let's say maybe the 3 touches is a bit risky at the risk entry. What do? You wait for reduced risk entry, whereby it's just gonna be a push down and a correction in the Falcon methodology, right? So yeah, you do that. So but then if you don't like do that, like really you're gonna lose, because you're not even prepared to see all of those stuff. Yeah, and it's even worse when you don't even have you don't even do an ASR. So what does ASR mean? It's advanced self-review. Some of you don't do this. Maybe you say you won the trade or you lost the trade, and then you're not assessing like the trade performance. Like, okay, yeah, I lost on this trade. Okay, what happened? What was wrong? Is there anything wrong I did? So you don't do that as well. So if you don't do that, you're going to repeat the same mistakes, and then you're going to be meandering in the same area. And then what you tend to do is that you try to focus on other wrong areas of your trading, right? Maybe let's say I think I should focus more on the entry. Maybe can't see the issue is not on the entry. The entry was fine, but then you weren't prepared, right? There were risk factors you didn't even see, because you took the trade on a rush, right? And then yeah, and if you try to minimize these trades you take when you are rushing, I believe you would like improve on your trading performance like very high. So with me, I've started to have a meeting with my friend in the morning, just for 30 minutes to 1 hour, discussing the markets brutally. Not like discussing the markets like scanning, brutally discussing. It's okay, bro, isn't there any other way this position might tend to be, right? Maybe let's say he was looking for maybe a sell. I'd be like, no bro, okay, listen, I can see your sell, fine, but can you also look at the position like this? There might be a buy scenario as well, right? And then be like, yeah, I can see that one, yeah, and yours is much more finer than the sell. And then we make those adjustments, or we can just look at the 2 scenarios as well, so that we do not miss out on a beautiful trade. But if you're not prepared in that manner, right, you're just gonna look at one bias, right? And maybe let's say that one bias of yours is not gonna get fulfilled, and the other bias was, but then you didn't have 2 biases. You were just there, I want to sell here. You didn't look at the whole scenario of the setup. So this thing could improve, not could, let me just rephrase, will improve your trading performance very high. So as I said, guys, these are the things that I used to go through, and when I started to apply them in my work did improve. I won't lie, my work did improve. And yeah, so yeah, I think that was it, guys. And please take this video seriously, right? They're gonna help you a lot, because me, first of all, I'm not a fake. I do this thing for real, and I've been struggling. And the sad part is I'm from a third world country, right? And if I want these things, I have to struggle for them. And when I overcome these issues, which means that yeah, it is possible for everyone, right? So yeah, there's a lot I know around this forex space, and I'd urge you to continue watch the channel and apply these things that I say, so you can help yourself, because I'm giving this information for free, right? This is just free information. And yeah, I would also appreciate if you could also subscribe if you're a new viewer, and if you are liking the videos or watching the videos or getting value in the videos, just subscribe there. And also please like the videos so that the algorithm can pick the video and then push the videos up, because I'm trying to grow the channel as well, right? So yeah, but then nevertheless, I am creating the videos for the people who are interested in watching and interested in improving their trading journey, right? So even if sometimes I get low views, I don't care. But when the channel is growing a little by little, it's fine, because I'm here to help the people who want to be assisted, right? So because I also noticed there are some people who spread hate comments here and there, but I don't even mind them, because this is a journey, like, not for the faint-hearted. See, if you don't believe, you're gonna get left behind. So with me, I was like a new trader just recently, but then the amount of progress that I did, it is very huge. So I'd urge you guys to do these things, because some of these advice that I give you guys for free, it is usually paid advice. I pay bigger mentors to teach me these things, and then I come and share them with you guys. So supporting the channel would really mean a lot to the boy. And yeah guys, subscribe and also share the videos with other friends of yours, and don't be greedy with the information. The information is for free. You can just help me as well to reach more people out there, because when the channel grows, guys, you see what happens to me is that I continue posting the content, right? Because people are engaging with me, and that makes me happy, I won't lie, because yeah, I'm growing an audience right here. So yeah, and I'm also spreading real value in growing that audience, right? It's not trash talk, yeah, it is real value. So yeah guys, and the support you guys have been giving me for the current viewers and the subscribers, you guys have been amazing, and you guys are the reason I keep on pushing, and also keep on pushing the content as well. So yeah, I'm gonna see you on my next video, guys. Always I'll be rooting for you guys. Iman got style.